I am a 3D solid. I have two edges, two flat faces, and a curved surface. Which shape am I? Now we need to find out, through each of these shapes, which is the one that we're looking for. Now, we can eliminate them based on certain facts, and let's start by using the fact of having flat faces. Now, a sphere is basically a circle and has no flat faces. A hemisphere is a sphere cut in half. Remember that this has a bit of depth, so it is a 3D shape, apart from my bad drawing. So, a hemisphere will look like that and have one flat face where it's been cut off, but it doesn't have two, so a hemisphere can't be our answer either. A cone looks a bit like this, and although it does have a flat face at the bottom, it doesn't have two of them, so it can't be that either. Now, a cylinder is our last remaining shape, and seems to be our clear answer here. It has a long height with two circles at the top and the bottom. We have two flat faces, a curved surface going around, so that's a tick 2, and also has two edges. Pretty much these two here. So, our answer here should be D, the cylinder.